Hey everyone! If you're looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing in the travel sector, I've got some great insights for you. Partnering with reputable hotel and tourism websites can not only boost your income, but also allow you to share amazing travel experiences with your audience. We're talking about real deals, real travel, real money. Whether you're a travel blogger, influencer, or just passionate about exploring the world, these affiliate programs can turn your passion into profit. Stick around, hit subscribe, and let's unlock some serious travel perks. First up, we've got Booking.com, a giant in the travel industry. With Booking.com, you can earn up to a whopping 40% commission on every booking made through your affiliate link. That's right, 40%. Second, next, we're jet-setting over to Expedia, another powerhouse in the travel world. Their affiliate program offers a competitive commission structure, ranging from 2% to 12% depending on what your referrals book. Third, now, if hotels are your thing, then Hotels.com is your new best friend. Their affiliate program lets you earn up to 10% commission on every completed booking made through your unique affiliate link. Number 4, let's be real. Who doesn't love a good Airbnb stay? With their affiliate program, you get a generous 50% cut of Airbnb's service fee for every guest you refer. That's right, half of their service fee goes straight to you. 5. TripAdvisor, the go-to platform for travel reviews, also offers an amazing affiliate program. You can earn up to a 50% commission on hotel bookings made through your referral links. 6. Now, if you're looking for variety, Travel Payouts is the way to go. They partner with tons of travel brands, offering you a wide range of commission rates, some as high as 75%. 7. Viator, unforgettable experiences, unbelievable commissions. For the adventure seekers out there, Viator is a must-have. This platform specializes in tours and activities, and their affiliate program offers up to a 20% commission on every sale you drive. 8. Get Your Guide, turn your travel tales into cash. Get Your Guide is another fantastic option for promoting tours and activities. With their affiliate program, you can earn a solid 8 to 10% commission on everything sold through your unique links. 9. Klook. Unlock exclusive travel deals and commissions. Klook is all about those unique travel experiences, from cooking classes to theme park tickets. Their affiliate program offers a competitive 10% commission on every sale you generate. 10. Now, for those serious about travel, IATA, the International Air Transport Association, offers an affiliate program that connects you with major airlines and travel agencies. 11. Calling all backpackers and budget travelers. Hostelworld's affiliate program lets you tap into the world of affordable accommodation while earning a 50% commission on each booking. 12. Lastminute.com is all about those spontaneous getaways. Their affiliate program offers up to a 6% commission on accommodation and package deals booked through your links. 13. Viator Tours, adventure awaits, and so do commissions. We've got Viator again, but this time, we're focusing on their tours. With their affiliate program, you can earn up to 20% commission on all those unforgettable experiences you help people book. 14. Travelocity, your travel companion for earning big. Travelocity, a household name in travel, offers a solid affiliate program with commissions ranging from 4 to 7% on accommodations and package bookings made through your links. 15. Marriott Hotels, luxury stays, lucrative commissions. Last but not least, we have Marriott Hotels, a name synonymous with luxury and comfort. Their affiliate program lets you earn up to a 5% commission on hotel reservations. Start earning while you explore. So, there you have it. 15 incredible affiliate programs that can turn your love for travel into a stream of passive income. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and a genuine passion for what you're promoting. Find the programs that resonate with your audience, create compelling content, and watch your earnings soar as high as your travel dreams. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more travel tips, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, happy travels!